Hello everyone, welcome to Team Revolution. In this video, we'll be learning how to download Arduino from the official site. So firstly, open the Chrome and type arduino.cc. It's the official site for Arduino. So here the official site has opened, and here you can see that there are various tabs in it like the store, software, education, pro, etc. But we don't have to go anywhere else, just click on the software and the download tab. So this page will get opened, and here you just have to scroll down, and there are many options to download Arduino for different software such as Linux, Mac OS, etc. But we have to go to the Windows installer for Windows 7 and up. Click on it, and then this page will open, and here as you can see that Arduino is an open software, so we can also contribute to it. But if you don't want to contribute, just click on the download tab, and let's see how much it's done now. So friends, it has started downloading. I'll refresh my system now. So it's done now, and let's see the setup. So here you can see that the setup has been appeared. Now we just have to click on it, double click on the setup, and this one will appear. Here there are the terms and conditions for the setup, and we just have to agree on it. Then this one will appear. Then here you can see that you can customize your downloading of the Arduino. Then click on next, then click install. So it has started installing. It will take some time, but don't worry, every software takes time to be installed. So friends, it's done now. Let's see what's there in the show details. Click on show details. So here are some details about the software. It's not much necessary to know all those things. Then we'll just close this tab after reading. So close all the tabs which are open and come to the desktop. So here you can see that the Arduino icon has been appeared for on the desktop. Let's open it. So here is the interface for Arduino, and for today that's it. Thank you for watching, and do like, subscribe our channel if you like it. Thank you.